Have you ever uploaded a video and you notice that after 2 hours or 3 hours of uploading that particular video, it will only get 2 views or 3 views or 5 views, then it stops? Now listen and listen very good. Some of our big creators will tell you that once you upload a video and it didn't get any views, that you should leave it like that and to keep on creating other content. My dear sister and brother, you have to stop. Immediately you create a content and upload, but it didn't get the views that you want, this is what you are going to do. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get more views on your video faster. Okay, now let's go to our YouTube studio so that I will show you what you do immediately you upload the video. Then after 2 hours it stops getting views. Don't listen to some of what our big creators are saying. I didn't say that you should not listen to them, but there are some things that they will tell you, then you have to think twice. Now let's go over to our YouTube studio so that I will show you what you will do. So guys, if you upload a video but you notice that it gets that 2, 3, 4, 5 views after uploaded, then it stops, this is what you're going to do. Come over to this place that it says impression click-through rate here. Okay, once you come there, this is what you're going to do. You click on this sign here. Wait, let me show you. You click on this. Okay, once you click on it, then this will pop up. People are choosing to watch this video as often as some of your other videos. Changing the title. Okay, people aren't choosing to watch this video as often as some of your other videos. Changing the title or thumbnail can attract more viewers, but some topics might just get a fewer clicks. Okay, now this is what you're going to do. Once you notice that your video is not getting views, okay, you are going to go ahead and change your either title or your thumbnail. Do you understand? But if you have done everything possible, like changing the title and the thumbnail, but yet it doesn't get any views, this is what you're going to do. Just go ahead and delete the video, then re-upload it. Do you understand? When you delete the video, then you upload your thumbnail and the title that you change to the new once you upload it. Do you understand? Now let's check this particular video that I uploaded before. Now let's click on impression click-through rate here. This is the impression click-through rate as I showed you before. Then we are going to click on this I like icon on it. Once you click on it, you see what it says. People are choosing to watch this video as often as your other videos. The click-through rate is looking good. Okay, so now the click-through rate is okay. The only thing that you need to do is to keep on uploading, and once you upload, you add it on the end screen. Do you understand? Or you add this particular video on your cart. Do you understand? So that by doing that, once people finish watching the new videos, then they will click on it and also watch. Do you understand? So now this is what you're going to do. Okay, now if you upload a video but you didn't know the correct title and the thumbnail or how you're going to arrange your thumbnail, this is what you're going to do. Now you go over to your ChatGPT. Okay, let's go over there now. Then here is my ChatGPT. Okay, I'm already there. So you click on this ask anything. Then now let's get our video title. Let's know what our video title is. Then we will know how you are going to give this ChatGPT prompt. Okay, now the title of this video is how to So now these are the prompts that I gave the ChatGPT. Please give me video title ideas. Okay, I didn't put give me video title ideas. On the video title, YouTube settings you must turn on. Okay, then please also add thumbnail ideas. Do you see it now? So in case if you didn't know the title that you want to use or the thumbnail that you are going to use, then it is going to give you the prompt now. Okay, you give the ChatGPT the prompt, then it will generate it for you within some minutes. Okay, now let's wait for it to generate. So now the ChatGPT have generated the title ideas. Okay, so now it gave us 10 clickable video title ideas, SEO plus click-through rate optimized. Okay, now the first title, it says 7 YouTube settings you must turn on before it is too late. Okay, now the second one, okay, under it, it says keyword. That is the keyword that you have to use is YouTube settings you must turn on. Okay, then angle, that is how you are going to create your content. The angle you are going to create your content is urgency plus insider warning. Okay, so that is the angle you are going to channel your content. Now stop these YouTube settings. Stop, these YouTube settings are limiting your views. Keyword YouTube settings is your keyword here. Then your angle is fear-based curiosity, views loss warning. Okay, so here are the title ideas that it gives us. Okay, now coming to the thumbnail text ideas. Now this is the text you are going to place on your thumbnail. Okay, turn this on. Do you see it? This setting with arrow pointing to a certain icon. Are you seeing it? So in case if you want to create your thumbnail, these are the what do they call it, the text that you're going to place there. Okay, turn this on. Then number 2, you are missing this. Hidden settings equals to more views. Stop ignoring this post and the rest of them. Okay, now if you now want to design your thumbnail, then you're going to create your background. Then your background will be YouTube Studio dashboard, blue or dark. Do you understand? Then elements, bright red setting gear icon or toggle switch turning on. Do you understand? Now the elements you are going to add there, it will be red setting gear icon. Okay, then text style. If you want to write this text that we read here now, okay, we read here now, then this are how you're going to write it. It will be bold. It will be bold white. I don't know whether you see it. Wait, let me show you. The text will be bold here. That is where I'm reading now. Okay, so the text bold white or yellow letters with drop shadow for readabilities. Okay, so you make it either you use white or yellow so that it will attract the individuals. Okay, then express your looking surprised or pointing at you. You have already know that kind of a thing. Okay, then essence, add setting or emoji subtly for attention. Either you add setting or you add this emoji here. Let me show you this particular emoji in form of aeroplane. Okay, you add this particular emoji. Okay, so that is how you're going to design your thumbnail. Then once you are done with designing it, then you go ahead and upload it in your channel. Okay, then you don't forget that you can still use your InShot, your CapCut, your Canva or whatever to design your thumbnail. Then once you are done with designing, then you upload it on your YouTube. So guys, we are going to stop here. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more YouTube tips. Okay, then watch this video about how to grow your YouTube channel fast. Okay, then this about how to set your live stream. Bye bye.